My dad cheated on my mom today and kicked him out the house. But I'm here for you, Mom.
What are you talking about? It's cheat day. He went to go buy cookies.
My stepmom's name is Cookies?
I can't do what?
Have us pray.
Hey, we need to pray.
Sitting in front of our face. I already
You
prayed.
need to know what you're blessing.
No, we didn't need.
Hey, babe. Would you still love me if I was fat?
Yeah, of course.
But Mom, you are fat. How old are you?
I'm 80. I'm 83. 8 and a 3.
And you're almost 100.
That's right.
And then you're gonna be dead.
Eli!
I hope so.
No!
Just give me my money. I said clap, nigga. Why